we do not expect QCG to bring peace to Afghanistan. QCG was the forum that will support the process. QCG could only complement what we in the Taliban bilaterally do, and then what we in Pakistan also bilaterally agree upon. And therefore, expect QCG to replace the bilateralism or the importance of bilateralism for Afghan-Pakistan relations is a mistake. The QCG to expect will replace an Afghan-led peace talks is a mistake. And that's exactly what QCG was not for, is not for. So once you see that, of course, we may make progress in the Afghan-led peace process, and bilaterally we make progress with Pakistan and Afghan relations, then we'll see that QCG becomes more relevant and more complementary. If not, then QCG will remain just a forum. More relevant to Afghan peace talks is Pakistan-Afghanistan interaction than the QCG. And once that is there and trusted and shows itself, then we'll see that the QCG will also become more valuable.